Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a beneficiary in Capital One. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on your Capital One 360 checking account. On the middle part of this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Account Services and Settings. A pop-up window will appear. There, you will see a section for Settings and Help. Under Settings and Help, you will see an option for Manage Beneficiaries. Click on Manage Beneficiaries. On this page, you will see a brief introduction about beneficiaries, then on the middle part, you will see a green button that says Add a Beneficiary. Click on Add a Beneficiary. Then a pop-up window will appear. There, enter all the required information about the beneficiary you will add. After entering all the necessary information, click on the tick box to confirm the person and to agree with the terms and conditions. After that, click on the Add Beneficiary button. That's how you add a beneficiary in Capital One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.